What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace this, which is your ECT sensor, which is your engine coolant temperature sensor. And today I'm going to be doing it on the 97 RAV4. And this sensor lives right here, this one on the left. Not to be confused with this one on the right, which is the sender gauge, the ECT gauge sensor, which just tells the gauge inside what the temperature is. And also there's one at the bottom of the radiator down here that tells the fans when to kick on and off. Alright, so symptoms of a bad ECT sensor would be poor idling, maybe misfiring. On this one, I've started to notice poor idling since it's gotten colder outside, and also if it's not warmed up when you're driving and you come to a stop, it may actually die. The engine will turn off and I'll have to restart it. But after it's heated up, it's fine, so that's why I'm thinking it's
Alright,
this.
so first we're going to disconnect this wire connector right here on the left. There we go. So now to pull out this sensor, it's just got a 19 millimeter bolt at the bottom, as you can see, like this. So either use like a crescent wrench like this, or get a 19 or a deep socket, put it over. Make sure your engine's cold when you're doing this. Now break it loose. Snug it down with our 19. Now we'll just snap on the connector. There we go, and that's it. Here's the old one. And you can test these with an ohms reader, and you just put it in some hot water. I forget the specs, but now these sensors are not a lot of money, so it's not a big deal to replace when you're trying to chase down a problem. Alright, now we'll go ahead and start it up, cross our fingers, and hope it helps. Alright guys, and that's how to replace your ECT sensor. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.